Hello guys, Tesla market dilemma, downgrades, earnings uncertainty, and an oversold market. What lies ahead for Tesla investors? This time, I will talk about Tesla. I am currently bearish in the market and believe that there is a possibility of further downside. However, before a downturn occurs, there might be an attempt to push the market lower. I will explain why this is significant based on technicals. According to reports, there are some interesting developments concerning Tesla. I will take a look at what is happening with Tesla data and also discuss some important factors for tomorrow. Tesla made an attempt to boost its presence in the market in the morning. You can see that Tesla initially took a strong stance and was establishing a good balance, but the market started selling off aggressively, causing Tesla to drop as well. We observed more negative headlines emerging, with some analysts downgrading Tesla and suggesting that Tesla could miss its earnings. This news has had a negative impact on Tesla. At the close of the market, Tesla was down 1.16%, which wasn't too severe overall. But I want to caution everyone that when viewed on larger time frames, Tesla appears to be somewhat risky. Overall, there is now a bearish trend. You can see on the 4-hour chart that Tesla attempted to bounce back, trying to find balance in the morning. However, it failed, marking another unsuccessful attempt. Now, if you look at the daily chart, it appears even more bearish than before. I'm here to provide more details about Tesla and explain why I believe it could eventually drop to around 230 or below. But first, it's important to note that it won't go straight down. There might be some initial bounces as we are witnessing some economic challenges, which are causing a decrease in consumer confidence. This is the worst it's been since before March. In the case of Tesla, there have been some recent downgrades, and other analysts have also suggested that selling Tesla shares might be a better option. Barclays has given Tesla an equal weight rating, but other analysts argue that it's advisable to sell Tesla shares again because of a drop in their deliveries. The price-to-earnings ratio is still high, but if Tesla weakens, it could potentially decline. In terms of daily seasonality, Wednesdays see green movements approximately 48% of the time, which is not particularly distinctive. Short selling on Tesla has once again increased, with approximately 43 million Tesla shares being shorted, while the volume remains at 101 million, which is considered normal. On the other hand, there is some good news that Tesla is considering starting an EV factory in Thailand, because the Prime Minister has met with Elon Musk and they are willing to invest billions of dollars. This news of a substantial investment is a big win for both parties, especially for Thailand. Thailand is eager to attract more investment to improve its infrastructure, create jobs, and the list goes on. In addition, Tesla can benefit greatly from Thailand advantages compared to other locations, such as efficient resource gathering and utilization, a highly skilled workforce, and the list can be extended further. Therefore, this could be quite intriguing. Thailand might turn out to be a very lucrative business opportunity for Tesla. Now, let's move on to the next topic. We can try to have a little bounce in this before it goes down to these levels. This is my straightforward and simple view, so why not attempt to try for a balancing act? The reason for this is that the market is very oversold, extremely oversold, to the point where we might start heading straight down if no bad news comes in. I think Tesla might do something like what happened today, trying to reach 250, getting rejected, and then starting a downtrend. And if we go below 242.5, maybe we could test 240 soon. I believe that if Tesla pops, it could be a great opportunity for people. If you're interested in taking action, opportunities may arise. I want to say that we can look into something that happened today, where Tesla is quite tight. When you look at Tesla on a 4-hour chart, it's very tight. It's not doing much. So I think there might be an attempt to reach around 250. It might go a little higher, but it's possible that it might not succeed and cool down. Later, there might be more opportunities to go lower, like around 230. For Tesla, I'm expecting more downside. We might see a slight bounce tomorrow. Keep an eye on the resistance levels. I'm looking at the 246.5 area as resistance for Tesla. Then 247.5 and 248 should be watched. and also keep an eye on 250. Tesla will likely attempt to bounce first. Then there's a chance it could cool down today, and next week there's the possibility of more downside for Tesla. If it breaks above 250, technically it could go to 252.5 to 255, but I don't have much confidence in that. I understand that this will be a very modest bounce. In the end, a head and shoulders pattern could also be forming on Tesla. You can go and check this, a left shoulder, head, and then maybe a right shoulder could form, and then this thing could start going down to much lower levels. On the daily, Tesla is looking weak. This is my analysis. Look for a bounce and then a drop, and this might not just be for tomorrow. It could be for the medium term as well. Looking for a little move up first in Tesla, then in my opinion, there's more downside. I don't expect much upside for the market and Tesla. What's your opinion? Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing and see you in the next video.